Okay, so this time, kailangan ko naman ng baby girl. Dali, ayan. Are you happy to do a magic also, ha? Okay. You want to bird? Ha? Okay. It's friendly. It's not scary. Dito ka. You're gonna help me do a magic. We're gonna make this bird disappear on the cage. Okay, lalagay natin sa loob ng cage bed. In a count of 3, mawawala yung bird natin. Okay? Ayan, dito ka muna. What is your name?
Jaya.
Jaya. Okay, Jaya. Okay, stay here. Ayan, so Jaya. Can you hold our bird? Okay, you hold it.
Ate Jan. Ate. Ate, dali ko.
Alright, we forgot the magic word. Okay, yung magic word pala natin, greet natin si ika ng happy birthday. Okay? Sigaw natin ha? Okay, say, happy birthday, Ika! O, dapat sabay-sabay. Okay, sabay, go! Happy birthday, Ika! Yung pinakamalakas daw! Yung pinakamalakas daw! Okay, last na lang. Yung pinakamahina, go! Uy, sabi ko yung mahina. Okay, for the last time. Okay, let's greet. Happy birthday, Ika! Okay, go! Alright, thank you so much! And that's the end of my magic show! Alagay sa lahat po ng mga kids, please come here in front para makapapapicture tayo sa ating bunny. Okay, be careful lang sa ating bunny ha, kasi pag nangagat yan, parang tiger yan.